Gong Fu Fan, also known as Shanzi, holds a rich and intriguing history that traces back several centuries. This traditional Chinese handheld fan has evolved from a practical tool used to cool oneself into a symbol of etiquette, elegance, and cultural heritage. With a history spanning over 2,000 years, Gong Fu Fan encompasses a wide array of styles and techniques, reflecting the diverse cultural landscape of China. The origins of Gong Fu Fan can be traced back to the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE to 220 CE, where it was primarily used for practical purposes, such as cooling oneself in the hot summer months. Over time, as its usage spread throughout different social classes, Gong Fu Fan began to be employed as an accessory for dance performances, theatrical acts, and traditional martial arts demonstrations. Throughout Chinese history, various dynasties embraced Gong Fu Fan as a symbol of elegance and grace. During the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 CE, it became a highly fashionable accessory among the upper class, inspiring the creation of intricate fan designs adorned with precious materials like ivory, mother of pearl, and silk. The fan also became an essential part of social interactions and tea ceremonies, reflecting refined etiquettes and social customs. In addition to its decorative and social significance, Gong Fu Fan gained prominence within martial arts practices. Masters and practitioners incorporated fan techniques into their routines, transforming the fan into a versatile weapon that could be utilized for self-defense while dazzling onlookers with its fluid movements. Today, Gong Fu Fan remains an integral part of Chinese cultural heritage. Its delicate craftsmanship, artistic designs, and intricate techniques continue to captivate audiences worldwide. As a symbol of tradition and elegance, the Gong Fu Fan serves as a testament to the rich history and timeless beauty of Chinese culture. To initiate a rotation, one should hold the fan vertically between the thumb and the four fingers of the dominant hand, with the tip pointing downwards. With a controlled flick of the wrist, the fan should begin to rotate clockwise. It is crucial to maintain a relaxed grip, allowing the fan to pivot effortlessly with each revolution. As the rotation gains momentum, skilled practitioners display utmost dexterity by shifting the positions of their fingers. This facilitates smooth transitions from one rotation to another, increasing the variety and complexity of the techniques executed. The guiding principle behind such movements is the harnessing of centripetal force, ensuring that the fan maintains a consistent velocity while remaining securely in hand. In addition to the physical aspects of rotating a Gong Fu Fan, practitioners must also develop mental focus and body awareness. This allows for heightened precision and control over the fan's movements. Regular practice is essential to cultivating these qualities fundamental as they are built upon a foundation of concentration, individuals can add depth and artistry to their performances. The rotation of their understanding of this intrigue showcases the skill and finesse of a practitioner. Achieving a seamless rotation demands a combination of technical proficiency and mental acuity. By mastering this fundamental aspect of Gong Fu Fan practice, individuals can add depth and artistry to their performances, while furthering their understanding of this intriguing and martially rooted art form.